Okay, so I bought these ones a week ago for like $43, and I thought that I should be sharing my experience with others. So far the experience has been nice. I'm really liking these ones. The design, the connectivity, and the sound. But obviously these are like I would say like the cheap ones in the market. So you can find most of the brands for maybe like, a couple of dollars. But these are like really comfy, and they just come out from they just do not come out from the ears easily. um, I haven't tried these ones while like jogging or running, but I've used them while driving and walking, and so far these are really comfortable and nice and light. When they pair and when they connect with the device, you get that notification in English, which is a plus point. As soon as you put them back into this thingy, the charging dock I would call them, they start charging. So which is a very nice thing, I think. um, they look good on ears. When I wear them, I look good. I mean, they look good on me. They don't look bad at all. They're not big. um, yeah, the quality is good, but I want to talk about the negative side of these Blitzwolf earphones. So number one, the box. So as you can see, when you try to close this thing, there is no such like magnetic mechanism that will hold the top part of the box, like top lid of the box. um, so I think that after some use, this thing will not be like able to shut itself easily, and it will open like this, because there is no such mechanism. There are like just two of these things um, to hold the lock. But I think I don't like this part. And that was the first thing. I am trying to remember the second point, which I do not like. Okay, the second point is the volume of these ones when you listen to music or anything. So you don't get like the high volume as you can get with a more expensive set of earphones, or let's say with a wired earphones. These are just not loud. So if you like to have like lots of bass in your music, and you like louder music from your earphones or headphones or whatever, uh, these are not that good when it comes to loud music or loud sound. They're good for watching YouTube videos. Obviously, if you want to listen to music, yes, they are good, but don't expect too high quality. um, I don't know why I'm not like liking these ones, because of the lower volume they have. I like to have like loud sound when I listen to music. Other than that, these are very well made, and I have not faced any connectivity issue at all. So there's a plus point for that. And the charging is also good. So I charged them yesterday, and um, I've been using them since yesterday, on and off, and so far so good. So they can hold the charging very well. That's pretty good. So now I'll show you how they look when I wear them. Okay, so interestingly, I can listen to my own voice while recording this video, because these ones are actually connected with the Bluetooth of this phone. So yeah, this is how they look when you wear them. Okay, so the last thing that I will mention here in my video is the connectivity issue. So I have faced connectivity issue when I try to get them connected with the phone. They disconnect for at least like 1 or 2 times before getting properly connected. So when they get disconnected, I have to press both of these buttons on the top. First the right one and the second the left one to get them like reconnected again with the source. Yep, and the battery life is pretty okay. The standby time is also okay. I left them connected last night without putting them back into this case for like at least 8 hours, and obviously the battery life went down, but then I used them again for at least an hour. So yeah, the battery life isn't that bad. It's pretty okay and acceptable. The sound quality is also acceptable. Just the volume is down. Volume is not too high, so you can't really compare these wireless ones with something like this. These are my KZ ED9. These are like really good ones. They're cheap, they're not expensive, the build quality is nice, the sound is great, and obviously these two can't be connected with, I mean these two can't be compared with something like this. It's a Blitzwolf wired headphone. Yeah, this thing is amazing. It has a built-in amplifier, which is uncomparable with anything else I have. So yeah, for like $45, these are not bad. I think everyone should have something like this, and that, and some good stereo speakers. In like obviously maybe like for your TV, and yeah, not too bad, but that's pretty much it. So I've been using this since last 1 year, this since last 6 to 7 months, and just recently bought these. So I think my collection is pretty much complete. I'm happy with whatever I have, so I don't want anything else. But once again, are really amazing things out there. If you have any questions regarding any of these products I have sitting on my side table here, just let me know. I will try to answer. Thanks very much. Bye bye.